What really happens inside a hard disk? Ever wondered where your data goes when you save a file? Let's take a peek inside your hard disk and explore the fascinating components that work together to store all your information. At first glance, the hard disk looks simple, but inside it's a well-oiled machine with several critical parts. Did you know it contains spinning platters, read and write heads, an actuator, and even a motor? Let's break it down. First, we have the platters, the heart of the hard disk. These are round disc-shaped objects coated with magnetic material where all your data is stored. But how does the hard disk know where to put your data? That's where tracks and sectors come in. Tracks are like concentric circles on a target, and sectors are small pie-shaped wedges within those circles. Together, they help divide the platters into manageable sections, making it easy for the disk to find your files. Next, let's talk about the read and write heads. These tiny heads float just nanometers above the surface of the spinning platters, magnetically reading or writing data. It's almost like they're hovering over a record player, except they never touch the surface. Ever wondered how they move so precisely? This is thanks to the actuator arm, which is controlled by an electric motor that positions the heads with pinpoint accuracy. Think of it as a robot arm, quickly moving across the platters to find exactly what you're looking for. But none of this would be possible without the spindle motor, which keeps the platters spinning at high speeds, sometimes as fast as 7,200 revolutions per minute. And did you know that the speed of this motor directly affects how fast your computer can access data? The faster the platters spin, the quicker the heads can read or write information. Now let's talk about the controller board, often referred to as the brain of the hard disk. It communicates with the rest of your computer, telling it where to find or store data on the platters. The controller ensures everything runs smoothly by managing the data flow between the disk and the computer's memory. Without it, your hard disk would be a jumble of unreadable data. This is where buffer memory or cache comes in. This temporary memory stores frequently accessed data to speed things up, but it also helps protect data if something goes wrong during read-write operations. If the power cuts out, the cache can still save your data before shutting down. So, how do all these components work together? The spindle motor spins the platters, the read-write heads move across the platters using the actuator, and the controller board ensures that everything runs smoothly. It's a delicate balance between speed, precision, and organization. Lastly, let's not forget the rise of solid-state drives, or SSDs, which are replacing hard disks in many systems today. SSDs don't have any moving parts, making them faster and more reliable. But does that mean hard disks are obsolete? Not at all. Hard disks are still widely used for large storage needs because they offer more space at a lower cost. So next time you hit save, remember, inside your hard